Hey friends, if you want to know all about this look, keep watching. First, I'm going to start off with concealing my face. I'm using MAC Select Moisture Cover in NW45. Next, I'm going in with JUVIA'S Place. This is in the color 10. And I'm just putting a little bit because I don't like it to be super highlighted. Blend that out with a flat brush. My MAC Studio Face and Body. Just gonna, oh, that's way more than I normally use. So we're just gonna carry that over. And I like it to look like skin underneath. So I don't do too much of a coverage for foundation. But you could build it up with your favorite foundation. But I think this is perfect for the summer when you don't want to have a heavy face of makeup. And I still like to look dewy during the summer. Okay, so bring that down, bring that to your edges. So then I'm going to set it with my black opal deluxe finishing powder in the color medium. I'm also not huge on baking, I guess. I don't know. I don't follow any rules, clearly. And you don't have to either. Do what's best for you. Okay? I pat it in there and then I start brushing it away right away. So that's just me. Next I'm going to do a little contour. And this is in Katsina by JUVIA'S Place. I love their line of products. And then we'll go in here. And I'm not the biggest on contouring my nose either. My nose is fine, just how it is. All of my sponges look a hot mess and I don't want you guys judging me. Hey friends, why don't you subscribe to the tribe? Go ahead and press that button. Take it up, down, all the way around. So try to keep that contour around your hairline. Just bring it down just a tad bit. Okay, and now for the other side. And next, a little bit of highlight. Ooh, yes, Golden Pop Up. Yes, take that to the bank, honey. Woo! Ooh-wee. Now for the eyes, just gonna prime my lid. Pretty fast too. Let's go in with our first pink color, Era G. Next I'm going to go into Zobo by JUVIA'S Place. And this is their Masquerade palette. Then you want to take a nice fluffy brush to blend out the harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with Bori in the Masquerade palette. And wait till you guys see this color. Whew. Look, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Hello. Pink. Yes. Honey. Oh, y'all see that? So yeah. And you just pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat that on. There we go. I'm gonna fix you, girl. I had to get in closer because I'm even blind with my contacts on. Lord, I can't see. This is my Manual in the Festival palette by JUVIA'S. And soften the lines a little bit. As you can see. Let's go in with Dogwoo. Dogwoo. Oh, Dogwoo. Oh, Dogwoo. It's so funny saying these names. Just a little bit right at the top there. Okay, and then next we'll do the bottom lash to make it more dramatic, honey. I'm gonna go in under my eye with that dark color Zobo. Then I'm going to take my pink color that I had, like really close to where I had it. Like right underneath it. Let's just buff it out a little bit. There. So since my eye color is so dramatic, I am going to do a neutral lip color. But before I do that, lashes, duh, forgot. I place the center first. And then I pull the edges. Make sure that's on there. So let that dry, and in the meantime, we are going to do a nude lip. Per usual, I always use my Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the color Whatever. I love this so much. And I just line my lip with that. And then go over. This is Milani, and this is in the color Tenderness. This is a lip gloss I got, and I really like this color. Oh. And you know, I'm gonna smooth out that line. And I want it to be super glossy, so I think I'm just gonna go over with a clear lip gloss too. And this is your regular old beauty supply store type gloss. And just gonna put that over the top. Make it really glossy. Okay. Hey, you guys could see more of me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Adia Sherelle.